Yo, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the Lambo experience?
Hell yeah.
Let's do this.
We're hella gonna. Is that a nice Ferrari?
That's the one I want. If I were to buy a Ferrari, it'd be that one.
This is hella nice.
What if you took all of this?
He disrespected us. We just can't catch up to him. He's too quick.
That's on Saturday. Hold the phone like this.
And do what?
I don't know. Show us.
Show you what? Can you not drive like that?
All right, guys, we are in our last day over here with the Lambo, taking it for a cruise, checking it out. So it's been a very special experience. Yeah. All right, guys, as you see, we're in the Lamborghini Huracan EVO. I believe it's a 2018. So far, the different modes, the Strata, Sports, Corsa, of course. Corsa is definitely nasty. It's a little scary, actually, to drive in Corsa. Sport feels more comfortable and safe. Corsa kind of feels like the car almost wants to kill you, but pretty cool. The whole tablet thing in the middle, it sucks, to be honest with you. It doesn't work that well. It has like a lot of glitches. The Bluetooth sucks. Couldn't connect it for forever. This one does come with a cup holder, which is small enough to put, you know, the tiniest cup in the world. Like, look at this. Like, other than that, leather seats are nice. Has the carbon bucket seats. Has the Evo stitching, which is always cool. The center console is broken on here. 2 USB ports. So yeah, pretty dope. Alcantara on the dashboard. Very nice touch. This was the headliner. So other than that, it's a pretty fun car to drive. It is kind of a little monster. I've never driven a V10. The closest thing I've had, it was a Ferrari, and it was a V8. So it's definitely a huge difference, especially on the freeway. Lots of fun. I would say if you guys ever get a chance to drive one, definitely do it. And my major tip to you guys, as far as if you want something like this or be able to drive something like this, is just work hard. I mean, there's no easy way. There's no shortcut. There's no Lamborghini sale that's gonna get you, a car quickly. So just work hard, guys. Keep on grinding. You'll be able to get one. If not, you'll be able to at least drive one around, rent one out, any of that. I would definitely recommend it. It is a blast. My heart didn't stop beating the first time I took it off the line. So, all right, guys, don't forget to leave that like. Send me a comment if you have any questions, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. We're gonna do more videos, more cars, less information, maybe a little mixture of both. Maybe I'll do some videos on how we can get to the point to afford these and things like that. So if you guys have any questions, again, hit the comments, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.